AI is changing how people find your brand. That means the way we measure visibility has to evolve too. In traditional SEO, we've always focused on keyword rankings, how high a page appears in search results for specific terms. But in AEO, there is no rank. When someone asks AI a question, the answer isn't a list of links. It's rewritten paragraphs that often cite multiple sources. That means visibility in AI search isn't about position, it's about presence. How often your brand is mentioned, how accurately it's represented, and how effectively that traffic converts once people reach your site. In this lesson, we'll look at how to track AI traffic in Webflow using Analyze. And then we'll talk about how to use those insights to refine your AEO strategy. Okay, first part. In Webflow, at the top, head over to Insights, then Goals. We have some goals here right now, but if we click on this one, then scroll down here and then head over to the Generative AI tab, you can view the traffic that comes from AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google's AI overviews. So what do all of these numbers mean? In this example, ChatGPT is the referral source, meaning people clicked from ChatGPT to get to your site. Those visits are counted as sessions. And from those sessions, the number of people who completed the goal you're tracking, like clicking a CTA button, are counted as conversions. What's powerful here is that you can compare this conversion rate to your overall conversion rate. AI-sourced visitors often convert at higher rates because they've already done more research before landing on your site and are further along in their decision process. That might change how you think about reporting on total traffic and how you optimize the experience for LLM-driven visitors. So that's how to find your AI traffic. But the real value comes from what you do with that information. How do we use that data to refine our AEO strategy? Let's look at our SpendSwift example again. ChatGPT is our top referrer. That means ChatGPT is the most important LLM for our brand right now. So head over to ChatGPT and ask questions like, what is SpendSwift? Tell me what you know about SpendSwift. Or what are the best tools for automated expense management software? Then evaluate. Does my brand show up? Does it show up early in the answer? Is the description accurate? Is the sentiment positive? If the answer is not really, then you know where to focus next. Your next step is to adjust your content, clarify messaging, and make sure the information you want LLMs to surface is clearly present on your site. LLMs deliver answers based on the content they see, so give them something better to work with. And if you can, strengthen your presence on other authoritative sites that these models are likely pulling from. What about other LLMs? In our example, Gemini isn't sending any traffic, but we want it to. Head over to Gemini and ask the same questions your customers are asking. Then check, does my brand appear at all? If it does, is it buried at the bottom? Is the description incomplete or outdated? Is sentiment neutral or negative? What sources is Gemini citing when naming other brands or incorrectly describing my brand? From there, decide what needs to happen. Do you need clearer answers on your site? Do you need fresher content or more original data? Are you having steak for dinner tonight? Is your schema missing or outdated? Do you need to be mentioned by bigger, more authoritative sites? Because LLMs love citing large, trusted domains. This gives you a concrete action plan for improving visibility in the models that aren't surfacing you yet. Outside of Webflow, you can take this a step further by tracking your brand mentions and share of voice across AI-generated answers. And if you're not sure what to prioritize or how well your site is currently showing up in AI-generated results, you can get a personalized evaluation using the free AEO assessment at webflow.com/AEO. It will show you how your brand is represented today and give you concrete next steps to improve. As your measurement practice matures, the goal shifts from simply tracking visibility and conversions to anticipating what's coming next. With real-time insights, you can stay ahead of shifts in AI-driven search behavior and invest in the right content and authority signals. So, to recap all of this, you can use the insights from Webflow to identify where your AI traffic is coming from and which goals it's influencing. Then you can apply those insights, double down on the content that's performing, refine what isn't surfacing, and use those signals to evolve your strategy. Because the future of measurement isn't about where you rank. It's about how you're represented and how effectively your content answers people and AI.